Good day, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about on how to start a successful online business. There are 10 steps to do it. 1. Introduction. Explain the benefits of starting an online business and provide an overview of the steps involved in building a successful online business. 2. Identify a niche. Explain how to choose a niche that is in demand and aligns with your skills and interests. 3. Research your market. Show how to research your target market, identify customer pain points, and determine what products or services your audience needs. 4. Choose a business model. Discuss the different business models available for online businesses, including e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and digital products. 5. Create a website. Explain how to create a professional-looking website using platforms such as WordPress or Shopify, and how to optimize your site for search engines. 6. Build your brand. Show how to build a brand that resonates with your target audience and how to create a unique selling proposition that sets your business apart from the competition. 7. Develop a marketing strategy. Discuss different marketing strategies for promoting your online business, including content marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing. 8. Monetize your business. Explain how to monetize your online business by selling products, offering services, or generating revenue through advertising or affiliate marketing. 9. Scale your business. Discuss how to scale your online business by outsourcing tasks, building a team, and expanding your product offerings. And lastly, number 10. Conclusion. Recap the key points covered in the video and encourage viewers to take action by starting their own online business. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video on how to start a successful online business. We hope that you found the information valuable and that it has inspired you to take action and start your own online business. Remember that building a successful online business takes time, effort, and dedication, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your goals. So take the first step today and start your journey towards building a profitable and fulfilling online business. Good luck!